Easy English Story, Canaries. Number 1. This is a room for birds. Number 2. You can see a gray finch. Number 3. He is so small. Number 4. He sees a yard outside the window. Number 5. You can see a little bit of another finch. Number 6. This bird is behind the stand. Number 7. 2 birds are canaries. Number 8. 1 is orange, 1 is yellow. Number 9. It isn't a rainy day, it is sunny. Number 10. There are small trees outside the window. Answer the questions. What kinds of birds are in the picture? Number 2. What colors are the birds? Number 3. How big are the finches? Number 4. What can you see outside the window? This completes Easy English Story, Canaries.